Coop's Homestead Cabin Build, episode 4. Hope y'all been enjoying these. I've been enjoying making them. This is how I start my day a whole bunch of times since 1994 when I bought my first sawmill down here in sunny South Georgia. Uncovering the mill, getting ready to put in a day. Watch this dismount now. Y'all get your cars out and hold up them number 10s. Alright, first thing we're going to do here is level this timber. Everything about the mill is not exactly level, so we're going to get it level long ways by raising the roller right there. You can see it right underneath the front of the log. About halfway down, you'll see back here between the rails, I will level it sideways. Just can't see something moving there, but that is my clamp. I'll raise the sideways part of it with the clamp to get that bubble straight. Now I got level, I can use my level to draw my lines vertical up and down to make sure I'm good and straight. Pound in a little stop to keep it level. And here we go with power tools. I love Chickadee, Mr. Chickadee on YouTube with all the hand tools and stuff that he does. Y'all need to check him out if you haven't ever seen him. He's amazing, but I can't hang in there with him with all those hand tools. So everything was ready to go except for power. Now I got my power. Let's put this thing on high speed and get on through this first cut. I kind of use the saw there as to mark my lines. Now I grab my chainsaw. I got about 2 inches. Well, it is 2 inches of wood to move out of here. So do some grinding on it with a chainsaw. Like I said, this is called a scarf joint. Okay, after I boogered everything up with a chainsaw and a skill saw, now it's time to get rid of a whole bunch of the trash I left behind with my chisel. And this ain't actual speed. I do have it speeded up. Y'all can be able to tell that. But it's starting to look like a scarf joint. The one I saw on the videos. This is not a how-to. This is a how I did it. There goes the chisel, boom. We won't count how many times I pick up tools and pencils and everything else that I drop on these videos. I won't attempt to edit all that out either. This is what it looked like after I worked on it for at least just about all day. And I checked it out, looked it over, inspected it before I spin one of them around and try to put them together, and I found a mistake. It's not put together. I mean, I didn't do it right. I got something that will not fit. So this is explaining that piece has got to come off. Got to cut that out. Got to cut that out, and that it'll look the same except there'll be another lip sticking out in front of where that tongue will be. Anyway, my mistakes is by the time I turn it over, flip it over, and then it pounds and presses into the other one, I didn't get all that right. So I went and saw it. It wouldn't work. I had to work on the saw a while. Now I got that part worked out. Need to adjust the depth of my saw blade so that I don't cut everything slam into. I'll be making a shallower cut than this thing will if I didn't do the adjustment. So I get the saw adjusted and get it ready to start sawing. Now we'll speed this thing up again. Right, this is not actual time, this is in a hurry time. has never done anything like this. Cutting a bunch of cuts like that allows you to pound on those things with a hammer and it'll knock them right at her. My camera didn't let me show y'all everything. The camera I started off using wouldn't take a video, but 1 minute and 40 seconds. So I would cut. I turned my camera on, start a job, and then it would quit. This is moving day. Got the joints cut out. I've got these notches cut out on one side here. They are 4 inches deep, 2 directions, and 8 inches wide. And they're all cut and ready to go. I do not have them cut on the other side, so I can make them fit better once I get everything in place. I'm showing you my blocks where they're going. I've got the foundation laid out, but then you see some blocks in between that are sticking up higher. I'm going to put the seal down on top of those blocks that are high. That way after I pound them together, I can take those out and set them down on the foundation without that pounding to get my foundation blocks out of whack. Here comes Pete with his tractor. He is going to help me get the scarf joints moved over. He has been a big help. Anything he sees he can do to help me, he'll get out there and help me. He's bringing around my first seal, 8x8 seal around to go on my foundation. I'm also calling that my first course also. Don't run over my blocks, Uncle Pete. That's part of my foundation. I just got the blocks moved out of the way. And like I said, my camera's giving me a fit. That's about all I got videoed of that job. But the next morning, that's what I had gotten accomplished. The 2 8x8s put together on the far side over there next to the road is 26 feet. I have a 20-foot cabin and 6 foot for a porch. This side on this side is longer than that. It's longer because I hadn't got around to cutting it off to leaf yet. Let's see if I can get moved in here a little bit closer to show y'all just what we got going on here. You can see here I pounded the daylights out of that end and busted it up, trying to get it to go together. Hope that ain't an indication I'm gonna have some problem with these logs getting too old on me before. Here is the scarf joint, my second ever scarf joint, and there's some gaps and cracks in it, but it's better than the first one, and it's not so much I can't live with. So hope y'all enjoyed watching. Tune in, we got more coming. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so y'all won't miss the next episode. It'll be coming out soon. Thank y'all very much for watching. Thank you.